Alrighty, here we are. Let's squeeze in, everyone. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese! Alrighty. Oh, hi there. Hi.
We are so excited for NCUR 2018 to get underway.
New this year are pre-conference workshops. Yes, workshops that will feature 5 different tracks.
Forensic science is one of them. I'm a criminal justice and forensic science major here at the University of Central Oklahoma. The forensic science pre-conference sessions will be very hands-on. That's what I love about this field of study. You'll get to see it in action.
Another very hands-on track is interdisciplinary arts. We'll have a lot of creative minds in one place. All of us in this workshop will join forces. We'll collaborate, create, and perform for you. So don't miss this showcase with free giveaways at the end of our day.
Each of the pre-conference workshops are uniquely designed. I'm interested in the one that focuses on American Indian Studies. I'm a member of the Kiowa tribe, and this is a great opportunity to connect, share Native culture, and learn more.
Learning more is what it's all about. I'm signed up for business energy sector. In the past 2 decades, the world has seen important developments in energy technology and policies. We'll discuss what's in store for our future, especially in the energy sector for college graduates.
I'll be graduating college soon, and my plan is to be a teacher in the classroom. The pre-conference workshop track on early childhood education is interesting because we'll explore it through an international lens. Discussions include the importance of play, children and trauma, and the shortage of workers in early childhood. As you can tell, there's a topic for everyone.
So get involved in the conversation, the creativity, and the kickoff for pre-conference workshops.
Hey guys, let's take one last selfie to post for NCUR 2018.
Okay, yeah.
Connect the place with us at NCUR 2018.